Okay, let's use AI in Fusion 360. So basically, before we continue, you must be making sure that you're having something called Autodesk Assistant on the right hand side of the screen. You can see that. So for example, there's a work space which is empty, and you can just write a prompt. For example, create a cube of say 50 mm. As soon as I press enter, uh, wait for a few seconds, you can come to know that the prompt is getting executed, and you can see that voila, you can see that the cube has been created. So this is an example of AI which can be used in Fusion 360.